Checks are vital instruments in financial transactions. This demonstration explains how to record and manage all checkbooks in use through the Checkbook stock option in the GL's transaction section, with an example of its integration into the payment module. Click on the Checkbook stock link under the GL's transaction section to view the list of existing checkbooks or add a new checkbook. From the list of existing checkbooks, you can click on the pencil icon to edit or view any checkbook record. The Edit view will display all the void and used checks within that particular checkbook. Above the main checkbook list, click on the plus icon to add a new checkbook. Enter the document date, which represents the date you are recording this checkbook in the system. Select the company name and the checkbook issuing bank name from the bank list. For this demonstration, we are selecting Riyadh Bank. Provide the first check number for this checkbook, followed by the last check number in the corresponding field. If the bank has assigned any prefixes or serial codes to the check numbers, enter the prefix in the prefix field. In the check number maximum length field, specify the total number of characters in the check number, including any prefixes if applicable. Once all the information is entered, click on the Generate Check button. The system will generate a list of checks for the checkbook, including the prefix you provided. Click Save button to store this checkbook. You will notice that the checkbook is in main list now. Now, it's time to observe how this checkbook integrates with the payment module. We will create a bank payment voucher for a previously generated bill, issuing the payment check from the checkbook we recently added to the system. For more information on producing payment vouchers, please watch the Payment video tutorial or refer to the relevant section in our knowledge base. Select BPV from the Payment Type drop-down and choose Riyadh Bank in the Settlement Account field, as we are issuing a check from Riyadh Bank. Press Enter in the Check Number field. This will display a list of checks from the Riyadh Bank checkbook we recently added. Select the appropriate check from the list. Provide all other required information. Click Save, and then return to the Checkbook Stock section. Click pencil icon in front of Riyadh Bank's checkbook entry for viewing the checkbook status. You will see a large green dot next to the check number used for the previous bank payment voucher. This line also displays the voucher number, date, and amount for quick reference. Sometimes, we mark certain checks as void. A check marked as void is considered invalid and cannot be cashed or deposited. To mark a check as void, simply click the checkbox in the Void column. Click Save button for saving the updates. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.